welcome back to my day. So today is my little brother's graduation.
Oh yeah,
Daddy's driving us.
Yeah.
It's the camera.
Wow, go on man them.
You finally graduating, how you feel?
I'm glad we can live now.
Got him checking my pictures.
Just hands.
What? I'm not taking a picture of my record for the vlog.
Yes. You must a million in back account right now. You don't want to present.
Wait, you just graduate, what do you mean?
What do you want for them? You're not sure. No.
Nobody love the picture that you send. Come give me them look nice.
Thank you. I'm gonna say cheese now. I'm proud of my little brother. I'm growing up so fast.
Right? I'm just crying. I can't believe I'm crying.
Right? Because you see the picture that we take outside, the one where I was kissing his cheek? I did that in primary school too, and see that now I can't even reach him cheek, I have to tip too.
Look at that.
And it's Happy Father's Day. You know which is your father?
Kayla,
My father, Happy Father's Day.
Zoom in up on the behind where you can take that screenshot. The man behind it, zoom in on it. What's your man? What's your man? The man just a drink out the white juice and the soap. The man just a drink.
Soy milk.
I soy milk. Him say my soy milk in my drink. In my ear.
Go fast. We go fast. How fast?
Yeah, we are far and fast.
My love because you are real.
See them, mommy, see them, I come in now.
And I can see. Oh, see.
Cheers!
No one on pan.
No one on team time. How you feel seeing your son walking?
Oh, I mean.
Seize the day, my youth, seize the day.
Check it, check.
Calling voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. You say I'm strong, but I'm in Ricardo, push up.
Ricardo, push up!
Say a prayer that the world will be free. The wonderful dawn of a new day we see. And if everyone is just one little candle, for some bright world.
We're waiting on Chase. He hasn't come out yet. He's collecting his plaque. Say hello, father.
Hello.
How are you? Are you proud of your son?
Yes, I'm very proud of my son.
Your son and your only asking. We are joined by the supporters. What's his name? Jessica. Just go. Oh my God.
So
Happy graduation, Casey old boy. Casey old boy. We can't take it outside. We're back here again with the graduating boy. Hey, turn on, graduating boy. You can never have too much picture. Remember, so when they did that, they made me like this.
You know you're not there before.
That's how you shave your hand? Take off your hand?
Yes, that's some shiver. But you don't know, we can't shave in a piece though.
Sure.
do my job.
That's up on the ground.
Burger King. Pull.
God church and get some blessing and get gift.
You're right, I'm brilliant. Belly full, so I don't have to go home and cook. You know? I like it today. It's like, it feel like almost like me graduate. We're at Emancipation Park, the place where naked people pose out front.
What?
You know, see the naked statue.
Oh.
Bye bye, Swan. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Hello. Bye.
On the black spot on the right. You know, it look right.
When you don't look right. Don't
On
you?
it. Like, but just I notice the black spots when I
Yeah.
like a gap in my teeth.
You should brush your teeth. And then we're home.
Unnaturally
See
clean.
you guys in the next vlog.
Shaday.